Okay.
Okay, so hello. Well, right. Okay.
Hello,
This is
you're
what
back.
we're doing. I have 8 Rubik's cubes. We're gonna go through all of them and solve all of them.
Oh, you're gonna tell me what the names of those individual Rubik's cubes.
For these last two here, I think we're gonna speed it off because it's gonna take a bit.
Okay.
All right.
Which
First
one
off, this is called the Ivy Cube, and it's pretty simple. All you have to just do this, then that, and then
What is that called? Ivy cubes?
Ivy Cube, and then do one, solve 2 sides, do 1 algorithm, you're done.
What? It's not even a minute.
Next up, the 2x2.
2 by 2.
I'm gonna try to go a little bit faster on this one.
I wonder how long you can finish all this thing.
All right.
That's it.
That's the
2
2x2
down.
done.
Okay.
That's 2x2 done. Next up is the Megaminx. It's basically a Rubik's Cube in the shape of a pyramid. So I'm gonna try to speed through this one as well.
This looks so complicated to me. Ooh, that's like less than a minute.
Next up, the
Next
classic 3x3.
Classic 3 by 3.
I think this is the first one that's gonna take me over a minute.
Yeah. Let's see. That Rubik's Cube is really smooth. Smooth sailing. So now in the video is 3 minutes and you already solved the 4th one. You're in the 4th one. We're gonna get a music in there. What? Wow.
Next up, we have
Oh no.
the Windmill Cube.
Oh no.
Well, this is a first shapeshifter, and I'm just gonna go through it. You guys are only gonna see what they look like solved after I've solved them.
that.
Alright, next up, the mirror cube.
Mirror cube. Yes, you do. Huh? Mirror.
Now the 4x4.
Those three are basic one. Ano?
This one, and this one, yeah.
This one is a little bit not because there's a little different shape. Because Rubik's Cube that I know usually just square. So that's
No,
4x4.
This one's gonna take a while.
Yeah. How many years of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
Oh, we're gonna speed this up. We're gonna speed this up a little bit, so
Okay.
just don't.
Okay, hold on.
No
okay,
commentary.
okay.
Done.
That will take a while, right? Almost 7 minutes. Good job. Ooh.
This is the Megaminx.
Megaminx. Mega.
So, I guess it's time to solve this. Yay!
Get it? It's almost the same as the 4x4. Just a little different.
There you have it.
There you get it. That's a lot of solving though.